Whenever I hear fireworks or thunderstorms, I think of all the terrified dogs that are going to scramble out of their backyards and end up running frantically on the streets. Yeah. Not only is it traumatic to arrive home and find that your beloved pooch is nowhere to be found, but it's even worse to receive a call from an emergency centre finding out that they've been hit by a car and require life-saving surgery. Chris, with road trauma, how many would you see per week?
This emergency centre, which is in the centre of Melbourne, would probably see 5, maybe more a week on average. I mean, some weeks you're going to see 10 and none the next week, but a lot. We would see a lot of road trauma here.
And what are the most common injuries that you see?
Limbs. So this is an example of a classic case, a fairly big dog that's kind of smashed up. So this is the dog's humerus, the forearm. So it'll be my upper arm there. And that's a complicated break. It's segmental. There's a fracture plane up here and down here, but legs, forelimbs and hind limbs and dislocated hips would be the big category.
And what proportion can you save? Like, for example, with this, I mean, guys, look how many pieces this is in. You would think that that would be an amputation for sure, but did you manage to fix that?
The irony, yeah, we did. The irony is that almost all of the trauma cases with fractures can be fixed, but not all of them are fixed because of the cost. Chest and abdominal and generalised wounds probably less so, but the majority you can fix, but not all of them. The problem with this sort of thing with road trauma is that the owner is unprepared. They're often mentally in shock and they have to make a quick decision. And in fact, if they procrastinate, the cost increases. So in our hospital here, we like to get these surgeries done within a day or so of the injury and send them home as quick as we can, you know, within reason.
There are a number of ways that you can help protect your dog during fireworks or thunderstorms. Always ensure that they feel safe and that they're in a secure part of the house where they can't escape. Turn on the radio or TV to make them feel relaxed and to block out some of those nasty sounds. Thunder shirts are great at making dogs feel safe through just light compression of their body. Make sure your pooch is microchipped and always has ID on with your phone number to allow for quick identification if they should escape. And if you do happen to see a dog running frantically around the streets, try this little trick. Open the door, you don't have to get out, and see if they'll jump in. I've used that a lot of times and it works really well. You can then secure them in the car and take them to the local vet. But of course, prevention is far better than the cure. So how about you go watch your favourite TV show, I recorded it for you, and I'll go out, okay? Good girl. Yes.